Sometimes the handle breaks off of these mugs. I'm going to show you a quick fix. The first thing you need to do, pop this up carefully and slide it out. And you'll see that there's two Phillips head screws. Take the one that's still connected to the cup off. Put that screw to the side. Here is the connection that broke. There's a couple spot welds in there on either side. They're very small. This cup was dropped on the ground, and that's why it had problems. And I think super glue is going to fix it, but we'll have to give it a shot. It's important that you mate up the bracket with the right side, and there's a couple ways to tell depending on what's going on. I've actually already taken this off, but you could see that there's a pattern here. If there isn't a pattern, you want to make sure that it just fits in there nice and snug, because if you reverse it, it's not going to be a good stick. It may still work, but it's not going to work like if you were mating it up to the correct side. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take, not too much, but some super glue. Oh, a little too much there. A tad bit. Now there's too much on that side, so the easy way to take that off is just to get a tissue and bleed some of that off, because you want it to be nice and flush. So we're going to try this out with super glue. It's okay if you move it around a little bit. Now if this works with super glue, that will be great. If not, we're going to have to go to JB Weld or something like that. Press down on both sides. Make sure it's in those little two spot welds on either side, and we'll see if it takes. And I like to use these really small one-time use super glues, because my experience is once you open a container of super glue, no matter how big it is, it may not open again. This is the super glue brand. You can get that at a dollar store, like 10 of these little packets. Feeling pretty good about that. It looks like it just might have worked. So we're going to set that outside for a little bit of time, maybe 30 minutes, let it dry up completely, and then we'll check it out. Alright, it's been a while. It looks like it's in there pretty good, metal on metal. There's a chance that you can save super glue. I found that a push pin in the top hole is your best chance. And that gives you something to grip on when you're trying to twist it out. Now you just take two sides together, use a Phillips screwdriver. Most handles, it doesn't matter, they're symmetric. Then there's some grooves here. You slide this in on both sides, like this. Push down those tabs. And your repair is finished. If this works for you, post in the comments below. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all kinds of repairs, of things in the home, things that go outside the home, designs of all kinds, making and breaking stuff, I do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what repair or fix you're gonna see.